This is Sindhuja Sriram on Healthy Sizzle. When your mornings are hectic and you're thinking of skipping your breakfast or placing a food order outside, then please hold on. We're going to be blending in 2 no sugar, vegan, low carb smoothies with brown rice flakes or poha or aval that are light on your stomach. Takes just 5 to 10 minutes or so. If you have pre-cut fruits lying in there, take it with you to work, or if you have some time to sit and enjoy on your desk, then you can just top them up with few nuts to turn into wholesome, nutritious and plate them with your own style. I welcome you all to the first episode of the Breakfast Smoothie series. Come on in. The first smoothie on the list is a Radiant Plum Blush made of Indian blackberry or black plums or jamun. Jambalin and jambusin present in this fruit reduces the blood glucose level, thereby increasing the insulin production, so helps in managing diabetes. Rich in vitamin C, it treats acne and increases hemoglobin. Now for the smoothie, I'm soaking in half a cup or 125 milligrams of brown rice flakes for about 10 minutes. Here I've used Katuyanam Rice variety Aval. Any unpolished rice is rich in carbs, but wait, we have balanced it out by adding fruits that adds up to a lot of fiber and other vital nutrients. Any unpolished red rice or brown rice flakes are rich in vitamin A, C, gluten and cholesterol free, and improves our metabolism and also prevents colon cancer. The magnesium present in this rice variety improves the bone strength to a larger extent. We are going to be making layers to the smoothie. This would give a pop of color as well as add up to the fiber of the malai we are going to use. So first, grind malai from 1 tender coconut and about 2 sprigs of mint leaves and keep them aside. Next, I have de-seeded about a cup of jamuns. The flavonoids and phenolic compounds present in this fruit enhances our immune system. It's antioxidant rich, thus decreasing the hypertension. Fiber rich that aids digestion and helps in weight loss and prevents ulcer and treats hemorrhoids. Now, grind in a cup of roughly chopped apple, a cup of de-seeded jamuns, a cup of mint leaves for its antibacterial property. Next, add in half a cup of soaked Katuyanam brown rice flakes. Finally, add in 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder to cleanse our intestine, thereby helping to lose weight. 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder for its anti-inflammatory property. 1/4 teaspoon of salt for taste, it's always optional. And then squeeze in fresh juice of about 1/4 of a lemon to promote hydration and vitamin C. 1 tablespoon of raw country sugar for taste, it's again optional. Add in 1/3 cup of tender coconut water to support a water base to the smoothie, and also it reduces BP and diabetes. Blend them all well. Now, in a serving glass, pour some freshly ground malai and mint mixture and roll the glass for that punch of color. Now, add in the Radiant Plum Blush smoothie. And then the green malai mint layer. And finally, add in chopped pistachios for healthy fats and crunch. Garnish with mint leaves and serve them fresh. Our Radiant Plum Blush packed with balanced nutrition is ready to be sipped in during those busy days. Let's move on to the second smoothie on the list, which I call as Creamy Choco Delight. Yes, I have saved the best for the last. For this, I'm blending in the rest of the soaked poha, about half a cup, 1 ripe banana of any variety, 3 de-seeded dates, that which I've soaked in for 10 minutes. Dates is fiber rich and acts as a natural sweetener. Now add in 1 teaspoon of cacao powder, which is rich in antioxidants and magnesium. It also reduces inflammation in the body. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence for the taste. 1 teaspoon of raw country sugar. If you want to enhance the sweetness, it's always optional and you can avoid it, as dates and banana are naturally sweet. Now add in 1 teaspoon of flaxseed powder. It is rich in omega-3 fats, fiber and has 800 times more lignans compared to the other plant foods. These are good source of estrogen and natural antioxidants, thereby reducing the risk of breast cancer. Next, add in 1/3 cup or 80 ml of fresh coconut milk that fights few viruses and prevents constipation, and it has lauric acid that boosts the immune system. Blend them all well and keep them aside. Meanwhile, for the garnish, I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of raw cacao powder to a bowl and 2 teaspoons of cold pressed coconut oil, and I'm mixing it really well. Bananas added in the smoothie has fiber that keeps the stomach full for a longer time. This reduces the calorie intake and aids in weight reduction. The mixture is ready. Add about a spoon of this mixture to the serving glass and then slightly roll them on all the sides to naturally create a random design, and place it upside down on a bowl or plate, and then freeze it in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can do this previously before making the smoothie and take it out from the fridge once you've prepared the smoothie and finally use it. Now after 5 minutes, I've taken the glass out from the freezer and the design has held its position. Now to this, add the creamy Choco Delight smoothie. And dust some cocoa powder on top. And add in few chopped pistachios for that healthy fat and crunch. So here is it. Our smoothie is ready. Both the smoothies are easy, quick, flavorful and wholesome on the busy mornings. It keeps you full and energetic for the rest of the day. Hope you all enjoyed. Simple, natural ingredients create classic recipes. Yes, yet another episode of fresh ingredients to create that magic. Every recipe is made keeping you all in mind for a healthy generation of kids, and we who have to build a way for them, creating modern recipes with our traditional rice and millets. So I'm here to bring in creative ways of fusion on how to include these in our busy schedule without compromising our taste buds. I feel it's my responsibility to do my bit to build in a healthy lifestyle. So I request you all to comment and suggest your opinions and the recipes that you would want me to recreate with these rice varieties. I'll be happy to create them for you. Also, like and subscribe to my channel, that which keeps me going. Make sure you post the pictures and tag me on Instagram if you have tried any of my recipes, and keep following. I'll be happy to see those beautiful creations. Catch you all in the next episode. Sindhuja Sriram from Healthy Sizzle signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.